The greenhouse gas emission from fossil fuels used for automobiles, such as gasoline and diesel, takes up 13% of the total amount of greenhouse gases emitted by Korea. For that reason, the government is encouraging people to use natural gas and LPG, etc. What is natural gas? Natural gas is now in the center of attention because it is believed to reduce air pollution. Natural gas refers to air-like gas buried underground, and its main ingredient is methane, H4. Natural gas, in comparison with coal, is recognized as a clean resource, as its emission of fine dust and greenhouse gases is low. However, natural gas in the form of air is large in volume. This was why it was difficult to charge, transport, and keep it. However, in the mid-20th century, the technology to turn natural gas into liquid was developed, which was the beginning of the widespread use of liquefied natural gas, LNG. Thus, it is gas made from air to liquid and called liquefied natural gas, LNG. LNG is used as a fuel for city gas or automobiles. Especially, it is a proper fuel for intercity buses or large trucks, which are big and are used for a long time drive. Also, compressed natural gas, CNG, which has been compressed as high as or above 200 atmospheric pressure after pressurizing liquefied natural gas, is used as a fuel for intracity buses. Compressed natural gas, CNG, is made after liquefied natural gas, LNG, is turned to air at room temperature and then compressed again. Differences from liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, and liquefied natural gas, LNG, are the same in being gaseous fuels. However, the methods of production and ingredients are different. Liquefied natural gas, LNG, is an underground resource, while liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, comes from the liquefaction of gases that arise in the process of oil drilling or oil refining, removing impurities carefully and making it pure. In the process of oil drilling or refining, gases like propane and butane are generated, and these are liquefied after low-pressure compression. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, unlike oil, is low in the emission of carbon dioxide, and thus can be seen as an environment-friendly energy source. However, it is not made naturally like liquefied natural gas, LNG, and is not classified as natural gas. Liquefied natural gas, LNG, becomes liquid when the temperature falls as low as or below 82, while liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, can become liquid when pressured at a temperature above 0. Therefore, the transportation cost of liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, is lower than that of liquefied natural gas, LNG. However, due to these characteristics, liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, is used for small and medium-sized vehicles, such as taxis or passenger cars, rather than big vehicles such as buses. Nevertheless, some argue that gas energy shall not be regarded as clean energy. It is because they emit hazardous materials less than fossil fuels, such as oil and coal, meaning that they, too, emit hazardous materials. Gaseous fuels work as an intermediary from fossil fuels to new and renewable energy, such as clean energy, including solar power, wind power, and hydroelectric power.